Good afternoon. Greetings from Manila. Thank you to everyone who is tuning in. We have a lot of people tuning in from different parts of the world. So someone is saying, anong topic po natin ngayong araw? Hehehe. Our topic, the importance of not giving up when it comes to mental health. We have to keep going, especially when it seems like all the evidence in front of us is telling us to give up. We have to keep going no matter what. So that's the point of this live. The point is to keep going and to just keep trying your best. No matter what, life will always have its challenges, and you will really want to give up sometimes, because it's easy to give up. It's easier to give up, and it's harder to keep going. But that's why we have to absolutely keep going, even if it's hard, because that's the point of life, to not give up. And I know that it's easier said than done, but that's why we are inviting you to join our community, Meditate with Maxine, because this is what we do. We encourage each other to keep going and to not give up no matter how hard life gets. Keep going. So that's why I went live right now, is because we have a special yoga and meditation class on Saturday. This one is face-to-face, in person, at M Studio Magallanes. And this class on Saturday at 5 p.m. at M Studio Magallanes is actually all about forgiveness. Forgiveness, how to forgive yourself and others. We actually had this class last July 7, online. Online meditation class. And because a lot of people learned from the session, we decided to do another version and hold the class in person. And this is going to be all about forgiveness. How to forgive yourself and others in honor of Global Forgiveness Day. And this is going to be on Saturday at 5 p.m. At M Studio Magallanes. August 3, 5 p.m. And this class is not for free. There is an energy fee of 1,111 pesos. And the link for registration is in our bio, in our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. So in our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine, the link for registration, Move and Meditate. Move and Meditate with Maxine. It's on the link in our bio. It's the link in our bio in our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. So you can register by visiting that link. The slots are limited, but there are still some slots available, and that's why I'm going live right now, because maybe somewhere, someone out there would like to join and would like to experience what it's like to be part of a community that uplifts each other, a community that encourages and empowers one another. So please join our in-person class on Saturday, August 3 at 5 p.m. How to forgive yourself and others. If there is anyone who is in this live right now who has taken one of my classes, maybe you can put it in the comments what you thought about our classes, how you felt afterwards, your honest review, your testimony. It would really help us reach more people and invite more people to join the community. So if you have joined any of our classes and you would like to share some comments, please do so and write them in the comments box. But if you cannot join our in-person class, we actually have an exciting online meditation series for the month of August, which is Believe in Yourself. Believe in Yourself online meditation series via Zoom every Saturday for the month of August at 11 a.m. Manila time. So 11 a.m. If you are in another country and this time slot works for you, this is your sign to join. And if you would like to join, just send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine and we will help you register and sign up. So again, we have the in-person class on Saturday, August 3 at 5 p.m. And we have the online meditation series every Saturday at 11 a.m. via Zoom. So we have an in-person class on Saturday and we have an online meditation series every Saturday for the whole month of August at 11 a.m. And this is going to be exciting because in our classes, we like to dive deep into the topics. So for our in-person class, it's about forgiveness. For the online meditation series, it's about believing in yourself. So we have a comment here from Rian. Rian, one of our community members, she said that she's still connected with the people that she met in our Bloom Your Soul retreat. And that was last November. And they still send updates about each other's lives until now. Wow! That's amazing. I love it. I love it when that happens. I love it when community members click and get along and they continue to encourage and empower one another. Because that is the point of our community, to bring together like-minded souls who are on the same path of healing, self-work, growth, just wanting to improve and become better versions of ourselves every day. So that is. Thank you so much for sharing, Rian. And we can't wait to meditate with you for the month of August. Rian said, sobrang supportive. I hope other people can experience this as well. Yes, I do hope for that too. I hope more people can join so that if ever they need encouragement, I know some people find it hard to keep going, especially when they are not surrounded by people who inspire and encourage them. But in our community, we uplift each other and we don't judge one another. We hold space for one another. So please join our upcoming classes for the month of August. Thank you so much, Rian, for sharing those kind words. Okay, someone is asking, paano po ba ako makaka-join ng meditation? Parang gusto ko po, how much po ba? So our in-person class, which has both yoga and meditation, which is our Move and Meditate series, there is an energy fee of 1,111 pesos. But for our meditation, online meditation series, 5 classes, one class is worth 555 pesos. And then for all 5 classes, you can get it for 2,500 pesos. But you have to, of course, sign up before August 3. Sign up on or before August 3. So you can do it by visiting the link in our bio in Meditate with Maxine, or you can send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine and we will help you. Kaya, if you want to join, if you want to heal, you can absolutely do this, but you have to want it and you have to put in the work. You have to invest your time and energy into your healing if you truly want it to happen. So kung meron kayong pang bayad ng shopping, ng pag-inom ninyo, bakit hindi ninyo gastusan ang inyong mga healing classes like meditation, yoga, exercising? So these are very important tools and practices that you can invest in so that you can become a better version of yourself. You can also invest in therapy sessions if you can afford that. I also recommend doing therapy. Yay, Rian said, can't wait to be with the community again on Saturday. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Please, please join us. Okay, want to join your healing community, Ate Max? Kahit online lang since malayo ako from Bacolod pa. This is the beauty of connecting online. Na even if we are not physically together, we can still heal together through the gift of energy. You know, we can share good energy with each other online. With, you know, words are very powerful. Words are vibration. So let's come together in community and heal together even when we are not physically together. Okay, someone is asking, open po ba ito sa lahat ng religion? Of course. All souls, all religions are welcome in our classes, all genders. We believe in inclusivity, which means we are not discriminating against anyone. We don't really look at your appearance, your gender, your race, your religious beliefs. But we do consider if you have negative energy, meaning if you're disrespectful, if you're fighting with anyone in the community, of course we don't allow that kind of behavior, but it's open to everyone. Everyone who is willing to learn, to listen, to grow, to heal, to become better versions of themselves. Please, please join our community because this is what we are about. We are about growing, being more open, being more flexible, not just physically but also mentally. So everyone is welcome. All souls are welcome. So please send these classes to your friends, to your family, to those who you believe will benefit from these kinds of healing classes. Send these classes to them and they might be able to learn a thing or two, especially if they're going through something right now. Okay, is there anything we need to bring if we attend? For the in-person class on Saturday at 5 p.m., you have to bring a yoga mat, a water tumbler, and an open heart. If you also practice journaling, you can bring your journal with a pen so that you can write down what we discuss in class, especially since we're going to be talking about forgiveness. So if you like that topic and if you would like to take down some notes, you can bring that as well. So that is for the in-person class. For the online meditation series, 5 classes every Saturday for the month of August, all we need to all we need are maybe a small cushion that you can sit on the floor, or a folded towel or blanket. You also just need to be open. That's it. Maybe your journal and pen also, so that you can write whatever you want to write down, want to remember from the classes. You don't have to turn on your camera. You can just join us and just listen. I also encourage our community members to share what they're feeling in the chat box. So this is about really becoming more of who you really are. In our classes, we encourage you to become more authentic. That is what we are trying to do. We are trying to unlearn old beliefs, unlearn old habits, so that we can become more of who we are supposed to be. So that is the point of the classes. So we hope that you can join and you can become more of who you are. How to join? So how to join? If you would like to join our in-person class on Saturday at 5 p.m., the link for registration, is in our bio in our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. If you would like to join the online series, Believe in Yourself, you just have to send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine and we'll help you sign up and register. So those are your choices. And you can just simply get in touch with us at our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. Okay, can you give some advice to those persons who are afraid to face their future? I think that's me. I think to some degree we are all scared of the future. We are all scared of uncertainty, right? Because the future, tomorrow, we don't know what tomorrow brings. And we are scared because we don't want anything bad to happen to us. But here's the thing. What I learned in my journey is what you are afraid of, and if you focus on that, that is what you will unconsciously attract. So let me repeat that. When you are afraid and you keep focusing on your fears and feeding your fears, that is what you will attract. That is what you will call into your life. So what you need to do is to stay in the present moment. That would be my advice. To pray, to keep praying, and to acknowledge your fears. Don't run away, don't deny your fears. Acknowledge that you are scared, but that's why it's time for you to pray. To pause, pray, and lift it all up to God. Because He will be the one to bring you through all the challenging times in your life. And again, life is not certain. We don't know what tomorrow brings. But if we can train ourselves to be grateful for the present moment and to stay here in the present moment, that is how we take care of the future, by taking care of the present moment. So if you keep worrying about the future, and if you keep dwelling on the past, then you are not taking care of the present moment. So however the future, whatever is going to happen in the future, that will be determined by what you do in the present moment. So make sure to do the right thing in the present moment, no matter how hard it is. Take care of your future by doing what is right now. Did you understand that? It's kind of a hard concept to grasp, but it is what it is. You take care of the future by taking care of the present moment. So I hope that that helped you. how can I forgive myself? You have to love yourself the right way. Meaning, if someone hurt you, like a friend, a best friend, and they said sorry, you would forgive them, right? So yourself, forgive yourself for all the past mistakes, for all your past failures. Learn to love yourself and forgive yourself, because you understand that the younger version of you was still immature, was still not aware. So you shouldn't really be too hard on yourself. You look like your dad. I know it's kind of weird sometimes, right? But I'm very proud. I love Papa and I miss him so much. Hi Max, I'm the sister-in-law of Tita Monette Estanislao. We've met in Bora. Nice to see you here, and it was so nice to meet you there also. It was a beautiful day, right? So good to catch up and to just connect during that day. Thank you. I'm literally crying now. Oh, I send you virtual hugs. It's okay to cry. It's a cleansing. Crying is a good cleanse because you feel lighter. And crying means that you are strong enough to face your pain. It doesn't mean that you're weak. Crying means you are strong enough to face your pain. Magalona sisters are my comfort person. I love you and Pot Mom Sab. I love Sab also. Sab is such an inspiration, honestly. My two sisters, my Ate Una and Sab, super women. I'm so proud of them. And I don't know how they do it, but they are just amazing. So there you have it. I went live this afternoon just to invite all of you to join our upcoming classes for the month of August. Face-to-face on Saturday at 5 p.m. at M Studio Magallanes. This class is about how to forgive yourself and others in honor of Global Forgiveness Day. 5 p.m. the energy fee is 1,111 pesos, and you can register by visiting the link in our bio in our Instagram account, Meditate with Maxine. And then for the upcoming online meditation series, Believe in Yourself, every Saturday for the month of August at 11 a.m. via Zoom, you can send us a DM at Meditate with Maxine and we will help you register. So the class, the online meditation series, we have 5 classes. The first one, August 3, is Be Yourself. The second one, August 10, is Relax Yourself. August 17 is Accept Yourself. August 24 is Value Yourself. And then August 31, the last class, Elevate Yourself. So these are our 5 classes, and one class is 555 pesos. But if you would like to join all 5 classes, you can get them all for 2,500 pesos, and you can register by sending us a DM at Meditate with Maxine. So thank you again so much for joining this live. And we really do hope to see you in our upcoming classes. And thank you. Someone said nice classes. Thank you. We are very proud of the energy that we bring and that we share with our community. So please join August 3 at 5 p.m. How to Forgive Yourself and Others in person at M Studio Magallanes, or Believe in Yourself online meditation series every Saturday for the month of August at 11 a.m. via Zoom. So thank you again so much for joining this live. And I hope that you can join our community. Bye!